AI-generated Maya. Bapodra Investments will share their personal views on how investing in equities can help to create long-term wealth. They strongly feel by having a 10, 20, 30, or even 40-year time horizon can create significant wealth regardless of your income. Bapodra Investments feel that you have to treat investing like a religion, which requires determination and discipline. They feel you must have passion and enthusiasm for investing to ensure you have the required drive necessary to stick to your investing plan and create a positive investment journey with fulfilling returns.
I am AI-generated Rifa. Bapodra Investments feels long-term investing has similarities to raising a child. So when you start your investment journey and initially set up your investment portfolio, it is like the birth of a child. When you choose which type of equity investments to include, it is like nurturing the child and helping it to grow whilst looking after it. Different types of equity investments are things like open-ended investment companies, often referred to as investment funds. It could include investment trusts, individual company shares, or even ETFs. When making changes to your investment portfolio due to new emerging themes, it is like teaching your child to learn and sending it to school. As your investment portfolio begins to grow in value, it is like the child is growing in age and intelligence. Bapodra Investments feels if you do not have the desire, determination, enthusiasm, or passion for investing, then you are better off sticking to holding cash and earning a rate of interest from the bank. Whatever you choose, don't forget the impact inflation can have on your savings and investments.
Hi, I am AI-generated Mia. Bapodra Investments believes that one of the best ways to create long-term wealth is to invest regular amounts per month into investments of your choice by drip-feeding capital using a pound cost averaging strategy. Bapodra Investments believe that lump sum investments should only be made on significant corrections and declines in the market. This strategy can be applied to both capital growth portfolios or income portfolios. Don't forget to consider using a tax-efficient wrapper like an ISA or SIP for your investment portfolios. In terms of equities, have a think about what themes you want to invest in and want exposure to in the coming years. Where do you think there is likely to be bullish sentiment that manifests into a strong trend upwards? Some may consider AI and technology, which may include automation, robotics, and other tech-related themes. You may consider emerging markets, frontier markets, smaller companies, USA, EU, UK, Asia, Latin America, Africa, and the Middle East. When looking at geographical themes, this should be clearly documented in your investing plan and what the specific rationale is behind investing in such areas. If this changes, then you need to amend your investing plan.
Bapodra Investments feels you are never too late to start investing, but the earlier you start this journey and the longer you give yourself, then the greater the opportunity to create long-term wealth. Investing in equities has the potential to generate greater returns than holding cash over the long term. Just do some research on the gains you would have made over the past 20 years if you had invested in cash against the S&P 500. The recent sharp decline in prices for equities, which highlighted what a beast volatility is, could provide a fantastic opportunity to begin feeding capital into equities with a long-term view. The key is not to panic, and to use fear in the markets as a great opportunity to add to your positions, where you have a strong conviction which is supported by the long-term trend. The sharp declines or dips can provide fantastic entry points or lump sum investment opportunities.
Bapodra Investments hopes you found this content both interesting and useful. Please do encourage your friends, family, and colleagues to subscribe and press the like button. The more of them that do this will encourage Bapodra Investments to create more new, fresh, and unique content that will explain investment and trading in a simple manner that makes sense as they feel at the heart of it all. It is all about sentiment and psychology.